Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Nella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. Today, I'm showing a house in this beautiful neighborhood that I want to share with you. The house is about $1.25 million and the community is called Pinon Oaks. What is so special about this community? Well, it's very close to town. It's just north of Prescott off Pioneer Parkway. It's a newer community. It was built around the year 2000. The oldest house being around 1996, the newest around 2016. There are still a few lots and some currently under construction. What is so appealing about this place? Well, no HOAs, large lot sizes. The average lot size is about half an acre. Price range goes from the 600 for a 1800 square foot home to about $1.25 million, like the one that we're gonna see today, which is about 4,600 square feet on almost 3/4 acre, with stunning views of Granite Mountain, Thumb Butte, and even the Broad Shop. So this is a very sought after community here in Prescott because it's 10 minutes from anything. Shopping, dining, and hospitals. Very important. I think we just got to the house. Let's go check it out. Very nice grounds outside. Oh wow. As you walk in, you're drawn by the views. Very nice open floor plan, vaulted ceilings. A nice chef's kitchen. There is some beautiful work with the backsplash. Nice 5-burner cooktop, granite. And it's definitely a cucina, which in Italian it means kitchen. And from the kitchen, we're going to laundry room and very nice size master bedroom. Beautiful. Oh, this is very nice. View of the Dells right there and view of the Broad Shop Mountains. Very nice house. The layout is great because if you have guests, you have your master bedroom on one side and all the guest bedrooms are separated by the living area, so you still have your privacy even if you have guests. Think about being a guest in this house and you wake up in the morning to these views with the Broad Shop Mountains and the Dells. Gorgeous. Check out the size of this room. I heard a wow from my client. I think this house has a lot of usable space and all the space is used very well and the floor is just gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the house and Pinon Oaks, this beautiful community just north of Prescott, 10 minutes from everything. If you like this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long, my friends.